guys, today I'm going to show you how to install your RH Design Wheelie Bar Kit on your smt10. Alright, so I'm going to go through the bag first, see what we got here. So you get your 2 plates, your 2 mounting brackets, your RH Design sticker, and 2 rollers. And your bag of screws with your adjustment plates. So we have everything here, and we're going to install it right into the truck. Alright, so let's get started. Alright guys, I already have my mount and my wheelie bar plate already mounted into the truck on the right hand side of the truck. So the next thing you want to do is your left hand side, which I'm going to show you how to install. You take your mount, which you have here, along with your adjusters, what I took out. You put your mount right into, fits right into the part of the chassis back here. And you take your adjuster, should be able to slide right in. Just put it where you want it. Take your 2.5mm hex, your screw, and your wheelie bar plate. And start putting it in place. And you basically do it on the bottom side too. You take your other piece we have here. Should be able to slide into place, just like that. To wherever mounting position you set it up at the top. Screw. Everything's screwed in. Next thing is the roller. Second roller. Put it in place. Take your other screw. And there you have it. Your RH Design Wheelie Bar is completely installed, and you'll be all ready to rock and roll at your next event. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.